some back up.
Sorry.
It's okay. I mean, we're not dead, so that's the important part.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
She hit you?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let me call 911 then.
Yeah.
Okay, you might have to.
I got her license plate, I'm sure.
Okay. You want to call the non-emergency line then?
Of our shortened but hopefully lucrative member drive. That's a very nice way of saying all the money in half the time. Let's hit it. 55,900 left to go. 888.
Just turned off Finicial Parkway, hit and run, red Dodge 4x4, Bravo Echo Whiskey, 16 Papa. We're on Little Rock streets, ma'am.
Busted!
It's okay, Dad. Just come up to my room and talk to me.
Oh, what happened? Oh, why did that guy run the red light? Did you see that?
That was so stupid.
Why did he do that?
That was so dumb.
Was he just not thinking? What the heck?
I saw the look on the guy's face. He knew.
I think he was just treating it as a stop sign or something. He was just...
Up in the middle of life and see me doing that. Like, it's crazy. I just... anything that's... Yeah!
Oh!
Okay.
Jesus.
Oh my god, I thought you saw it!
Not at all.
Oh my god.
One of the Porsches, they make a lot of noise. The windows rattle, and they're rattle because those window seals get hardened, and then it causes a hard surface for the window to vibrate on. So, yeah, those need to, that's part of a service when you're doing a real service.
And the moment participation tanked, they were...
Oh, 8'10", you think he's gonna hit the fucking
bridge. Let's get ready to brake. Is you gonna hit it? Yeah, you gonna hit it. Cool, I guess we'll just close the goddamn highway because you don't know how things work. You're definitely not gonna make it, sir. We'll all just go around, I guess.
For limited time, Bob and Tom listeners get $25 off the best-selling Carver mat frame, just like that one. Use the code word TOM. That's AURA, auraframes.com. The promo code is TOM. Please support the Bob.
Journals that there can be an up to 30 to 40% remission rate for some of these difficult to treat conditions. We also have the data from individuals. They're telling dramatic stories of how they were suicidal and they were able to get their life back. We don't know.
Bitch. Literally has a fucking right away. Make a fucking decision. God damn. Oh, you're gonna let me through? You're so nice. Oh. I want no part in that fight. Let me just now. I got you.